Whichever face you're looking at, the first part you want to solve, first thing you want to do is get a cross on top so that each color lines up with the center piece here. Okay. Okay, now that I've got my cross lining up with all the different colors here, now I have to solve these four corners so that they match each side. So like here would be blue, red, and green. Blue, red, green. Okay, now that I've got the first side solved, the entire first layer is done and it lines up with the center piece. Now the next part to solve is these spaces in between so that we have the first two layers completed. Okay, now I've got the first two layers completed and this side completely finished. Now I'm going to try and get another cross like the one we started with up on top, lining up with each side. Okay, now I've got each side lining up. It doesn't even matter that this side is solved because we've got to get these corners fixed now. So now I'm going to try and solve for the corners. Alright, once I'm here, I'm going to use one final algorithm. To get these corners into place.